show that diagonals of a square are equal and they bisect each other at right angle. So we are looking at a square. So let's draw a square. So we have AB, CD, a square. So all of these angles are 90° and the sides are equal. So again, I would like you guys to write down a statement talking about this diagram and what is that we need to prove, and yeah, till there I want you guys to write. So let's consider a square ABCD. So we have the diagonal DB and AC. Here AB, AC and BD are the diagonals. And we have to prove that this is 90° and they bisect each other, intersecting at O, right? Okay, so what is that we need to prove? There are quite a few things that we need to prove. First one being, show that the diagonals of the square are equal. That is, AC is equal to BD. Second thing is, they bisect each other. So we need to talk about diagonals bisect each other. So indirectly, what is that we need to prove? That OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. Then the third one is at right angle, that is diagonals intersect at 90°. So each of this angle is equal to 90°, right? So these are all the things that we need to prove. So now think of how to prove this. Quite simple actually. We need to talk about congruency. So to talk about the first one, let's consider triangle. See, we are talking about proving AC is equal to DB. So we need to talk about ABC and triangle DBC, right? So something like this. This and this. Okay, if I prove that these two triangles are congruent, and we are done. Is it not? So we have A, B, which is equal to BC because all the sides are equal, right? All sides are equal in a square. Then we have angle ABC is equal to angle BCD, which is equal to 90°. And we have this is equal to this. Oh, sorry, this we can write it as DC, and BC is common. That's convenient. Okay, so what can we tell? By SAS congruency triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABC, right? PCD. Okay, so no, here I should be writing in form of DBC. DCB. Okay, this is how I should write. AC and DB. Yes. So with this, I'll be able to tell thus AC is equal to DB by CPCT. Okay. So we are done with the first one. Now the second one. How do we go about? Diagonals bisect each other. Basically, we have to prove that OA is equal to OC and OD is equal to OB. It's quite simple. How? Prove that triangle 1 is congruent to triangle 2. So how can we do that? Well, these two are parallel and we are pretty much done. Okay, so opposite sides are equal, alternative interior angles are equal, and so they are congruent, and thus triangle OAB is congruent to ODC. So we have in triangle OAB and triangle OCD, OA is equal to OC. Sorry, that's what we need to prove. AB is equal to DC. Angle OAB is equal to angle OCD. Alternative interior angles as opposite sides of a square are parallel, right? Opposite sides are parallel, so alternative interior angles are equal. So on a same line we can tell angle OBA is equal to angle ODC, right? So with this we can tell thus triangle OBA is congruent to triangle ODC by ASA congruency. This implies OB is equal to OD. I hope I'm right. OB is equal to OD. Yes. O is equal to OC. OA is equal to OC. CP CT. Okay. So second part of the theorem is done, and the last part, diagonal intersect each other at 90 degree. So basically we need to show that just one of the angle is 90 degree, so we are pretty much done. So for that we have to consider, okay, this is getting too crowded, triangle OAB and OCD. If I prove that these two triangles are congruent, we are done. So neighboring, let me consider, okay, those only, AOB and BOC. So now the third one, consider triangle AOB and POC. So here I think OB is common, and we have AB is equal to BC, and we have angle ABO. Yeah, no wait. BO is common, and this side is equal to this side, and we prove that AO is equal to OC. Yes. We also have the third side. AO is equal to OC. It's already been proved, right? We have proved it over here. Therefore, by SSS congruency, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COB. So we can tell angle AOB plus is equal to angle COB. So if these two are equal, then they will add up to 90 degree. How? Quite simple. Angle AOB plus COB is equal to 180 degree. So they are linear pair. So angle 2 times of angle AOB is equal to 180 degree divided by 2 both the sides. Angle AOB will be equal to 90 degree. Is it not? So this is from equation 1. And this is our answer.